Welcome to another episode of Bunce and King Fishing. It's 2018 pike season. It's October.
Although it doesn't look like October because Mark is in shorts.
I am in shorts and t-shirt.
It's about 20 degrees.
Yeah. So this is our first dead bait session of the season. I got two rods. I got a legend out in front, and I got a float to the right. Nathan's gone to a float to his left. Let me just show you. So Nathan's rod has got a float just out here. What have we got on that? Mini Mac. Mini Mac. Then I got me two rods here. I'm ledgering between these in this little bay here, and I got a roach on that. And then out in the middle, right in the centre, I got a sprat on a float, quite a small rig as well, just to see if I could pick up a jack really. So just as we're waiting for some bites, we do come here, not quite a lot, but every other week maybe, just for some spinning and lure fishing. So let's see what we've been catching the last couple of months on lure. So that was a nice little jack I just caught. I think that must have hit the lure on a couple of attempts because I lost a few. I'll just show you the one it caught. I took on. So dirty roach, silver, just a jig head. So I've moved around the lake from where I was. I was on the opposite bank over there. They've got some work happening on the leisure lake between the two, so I've had to walk all the way around. But I found myself in this little secluded swim, which it's still open to fishermen to get to the swims. I've changed lure. I'm now on one of these Fox Rage. Not sure exactly which one it is, but it's just got a 10 gram jig head in, and it performs quite well actually. I'll show you in the water there. It runs nice and smooth. Also doesn't make too much of a disturbance when it goes into the water on a cast. I'm going to keep moving around. I've got quite a lot of different lures to try if I need to. I did start off with surface baits, not surface baits, surface lures like a duck and a rat and a bat, but I had no interest at all on those. But we'll see if we can get anything else. About £8 or £9. I think she's been attacked. That's what she took. First cast.
Buy one, get one free.
So here's the one that took the lure. And here's the cheeky one that tried to take the one with the lure. Managed to get in there. Boom. So, just telling Nathan how good the burbot was. First cast, bam. I've been watching this pike sit down here. Every time I walk over it swims off. So I kind of gave it a little bit of a rest. And first cast. Still got a lot of fight left in her. But nice fish. Ow. We'll have to edit that out now. Probably not.
No, that's fine.
Nathan's frantically just whacking his net out, right out. First cast with a burbot. Told you so. Good pike.
Calm down.
It's got good colour on it.
Yeah. Great.
It's alright. Getting kind of used to it. It's a really nice colour.
The hook's gone right down inside. Full effect.
He's looking at me with his beady eyes. There's the offending pike.
Top crack. First cast.
Yeah, lift it up. And Nathan, always on the burbot.
Always.
Always on the burbot.
Yeah.
I think this is our smallest ever pike. It's in the net somewhere, folks. I got it. Oh,
Oh, it's got a little gash on it in the back of it.
should we call it half a pound?
Oh, it's gone there. Yeah.
So you see this, we caught a few good pike over the summer. Let's have a look at the more interesting catches we've had. So Nathan's literally just cast out, changed his rig from a float to a bottom, and on the drop something seems to have taken it.
Stop now, innit?
Seems to have stopped, but the rod's still bouncing around. I had a run on my left one on the bottom. I picked it up too early, so it came off. With my other one, I've now managed to get right under the tree over there. So, oh no, the rod's still going.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, he's on a pike. He's on one. That is the quickest pike take.
Oh,
Oh, has it come off?
yeah.
Uh,
Oh, look, it's completely demolished the mackerel.
it's chewed it. Hey, they're feeding.
I think we might need a new mackerel on that way.
It's alright, we can use that as a free offering.
Ow. Hopefully that's a sign of... Before the light fades, hopefully one of us will bag ourselves a pike.
See how it goes. So it's about 6:30. We've both had runs. We had a run each, and we both missed it. Nathan's just gone to have a look round. Keep moving our baits round. He lost a mac, so he's put another. He got ropes on now. He's got his rod tip bouncing, so hopefully. Might catch something before we go home.
I've gone back on the roach. Just because that's what we predominantly catch on there. Roach. But funny enough, the one I just had was on mini mac. So Mark was just taking his rod in to give it one last cast before it gets dark. Reeled it in, and the whole time he's had a pike on the line. I believe it's not a bad size either. Yeah, it's a good size pike. I'll just give him a hand with the netting. get back to the action.
So that wasn't too bad. 1 pike, lost 2.
Not bad. So a couple of hours. It was only a couple of hours, wasn't it?
Yeah, 2 or 3 hours. And you got to see what we've been doing over the summer with our little pike adventures.
Hopefully we can top it in the winter with some bigger fish.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing a cold day, dead bait. But anyway, tight lines.
Tight lines. I'm king.
Oh, I was watching something come up.
I'm king. He's Bunce.
And we're fishing.
Bunce and King fishing. All the gear, no idea.